Try this new method to get your 4,000 watch hour and your 1,000 subscribers, guys. Okay guys, so the first thing to do, head over to Google. Like I said, we're actually monetizing our channel through Google. Then you now search for non-copyright rainfall videos. Yes, you can actually see these are different options. Let me just go with Pixabay. Yeah, so if you look down here, I really hope this network is in our favor. There are several videos. You guys can actually use any video of your choice, but I'm just using rainfall for the purpose of this video. So we're not gonna we're actually going to click on this. Okay, so this is actually very good. I love this. Then I'm going to click on download. Yeah, so let me just download. Yeah, as you can see, it's already downloading. Let's see the details. Let's see how long it's going to take. Okay, they said 50 seconds left. All right, so because I don't want this video to be too long, I'm going to pause the video now. Once it's done downloading, I'm going to continue the video. So guys, now the video has been fully downloaded. I'm going to close this and head over to CapCut. Where is my CapCut? Yeah, because I actually want to do some 1 or 2 touches right there to make the video perfect. So I'm going to come here, click on the video, click on add. Okay, so this is the video right here. And there's no sound actually, you know, because we just downloaded it from Pixel. So I'm going to click on this audio, then sound, because I want to make it more like full of life. Then, oh, sorry, sound effects. I said sound. I was supposed to click on sound effects. Then I'll now search for rainfall. Search for it. So it's actually going to give you several options. Yeah, I think I've actually used this rainfall sound before, so I'll just click on it. Yeah, because I think I like it. Let me play it to see. Yeah, you guys can actually see this is actually so relaxing, right? Yeah, so I'll now scroll to the end because it seems this particular sound is actually longer than the video. Yeah, so I will then come here, split it and delete. Remove this ending. Yeah. So by the way, after that is done, I'm going to click on export. So let's just wait. So guys, after exporting the video, the next thing for you to do is to now head over to our next app. Guys, after all of that is done, the next thing for you to do, head over to your browser and then you just search for Restream.io. So I want to be addressing something regarding landscape and portraits. As we go along with this video, I'm going to be addressing that. So when you click on Restream.io, let's just wait for you to come up. So guys, as you can see, this is what the interface look like. Because I already have an account with them, so I'm automatically logged in. But for you, if this is your first time, they will ask for your email and your details here. So now let's go. Just click on this plus new. Yes, that's the next step. So once you click on this plus new, let me click on it. So the next thing for you to do, click on this Restream Studio, this one here. So once you click on this Restream Studio, yeah, the next thing for you to do, I really hope this comes up very fast because I don't want to spend time. I really want to show you, and I also want to explain about the landscape and portraits, but I want to get there first before you guys can actually get to see. Okay, so this is already logged in. Let me, okay, yeah. So now let's go to the landscape. Let me click on it. So this is landscape right here, as you guys can see. So for landscape, guys, the difference between landscape and portrait is that landscape is only shown. Okay, let me go to landscape so you guys can actually see what I'm saying. Landscape is only shown to your subscribers, your current subscribers, or somebody you share the link to, or someone that knows your channel or knows you and then go ahead to search for it on YouTube. YouTube will not go ahead to show it to new viewers, just your subscribers or someone you by yourself share your link to watch your live. So this landscape is very, very limited. Unlike portraits, this portrait, as you can see, it is shown to lots of viewers. It's just like shorts. You know, people actually get to watch shorts a lot. So when they are watching shorts, you guys know that shorts usually get views more than long form videos. So when they are watching that short, as they are scrolling up, this your life can just swipe in between. Do you guys get? like it can, because of the same portrait, you know, short is portrait and this particular video is also portrait. So because the aspect ratio actually fits in, so once they just swipe up, they can just swipe to your channel. Do you guys understand? So that's why I actually encourage portrait. So now let's go back to the main reason why we are here. So the next thing for you to do right now is to click on this part that says add scene. Click on media. So once you click on media, so let's just click on the first option right here so that we can get a full video. Guys, after doing that, click on this part here that says add scene. Click on local video. Click on photos and videos. Then the next thing for you to do, you choose the video. Click on, this is the video right here. Yeah, so as you can see, the video is currently playing. So the next thing for you to do right now is to loop the video. But one good thing about looping this particular video is that it will not be obvious that it is looping. Like, it is very, very relaxing. The rainfall, sorry guys, I have to reduce the volume so you guys can actually hear me, so in case you can't hear the sound. But the rainfall sound is actually very, very exciting. I'm still going to increase it towards the end of the video so you guys can actually see what it looks like or sound like. So now let's just click. If you click on the video, you see this 3 dots icon on the top top right corner. So once you click on it, it's going to give you the option to loop. It is already looping. You guys can already see the loop button is already ticked. So after that is done, let's now go back. Let's close it. So now we have to add our channel. As you can see, it is looping. But by the way, if you're looking at this video, you will not even know it's looping, guys. You won't know at all. So now let's now go to this plus channel to add our channel. So guys, as you guys can see, this is what the interface looks like. I just toggled this on, as you can see. So this is what the interface. So because I already have my channel embedded here already, so all I just needed to do was to toggle it on. But if you have not been using Restream, if this is your first time, you will need to impute your channel to be able to toggle it on. But if you already have it embedded, just toggle it on. So now let's go. As you can see the video is playing and everything is going fine. My channel has been toggled on. So all we just need to do now is to click on go live. So let me click on go live. Yeah, it's connecting. 3, 2, 1, and we are live. So now let's go to our YouTube channel to check how this particular video is actually doing. So let me go to YouTube. Let me close this and go to YouTube. Okay guys, so here we are in my channel. All I just need to do is to just search for my channel name. Yeah, so let me search for Jaffe Lifestyle because that's the channel I'm actually using to run this. Oh, it's popped up already. Let me just click on it. Okay, so let's wait for it to load. Yeah, as you can see, I am actually live. Sorry guys, my network is a little bit fluctuating. Yeah, but we'll be fine. Yeah, so as you can see, we are live. Yes guys, so this is actually a way to which you can actually stream to get your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch hour. And one good thing about this particular live stream is that nobody will even know it is looping because it's a rainfall video. Do you guys get, like, the way the rain is falling, like the looping is not obvious, which will actually make it more interesting and more exciting and will even make people stay longer. So guys, if you find value in what I've just taught you guys, please do well to subscribe to my channel because that's the way you guys can actually support me. Do well to like, do well to share, and if you have any issue, any concerns at all, do well to put it down in the comment section. And also guys, I think I'll also be running this particular live stream and then I'm going to be putting it in a post to show you guys the results because I'm so sure the result is going to be so mind-blowing. I'm going to be doing it maybe probably this night. I'm going to be leaving it overnight. Yeah, so it's going to run overnight. And then I'm going to screenshot the watch hours gotten and the subscriber gotten. I'm going to put it in the post for you guys to see, so you guys to see that it is actually working, not just me coming here to show you guys the video, show you guys the method. I'm going to be showing you the real proof that it is working. All right, see you again in our next video. Bye guys.